Hello, my beautiful friends. So I got my Happy Life box, and I thought I would share with you what's in it. There's a link below so that you can get yours. I do not make any money from them. I am not one of their affiliates. I just get the box because I like it. I'd seen it unboxed on another channel, and it was awesome. It was called something else then, but now it's called my Happy Life box, and I love it. And I did open it because I like the letter that she writes, and the letter, the second page tells you what's in it, so I don't actually read that, but I do read the letter because she puts a lot of time and energy into it. Her name is Chris, and she put together a cozy basket, a cozy box, in a basket, she had thought about doing a detox basket. I don't know why I keep saying basket, I mean box. But she went with cozy, which is great because there's a lot of snow out and it's freezing cold. So I am actually wearing several shirts and sweatshirts and 2 pairs of pants. And I have heat, so I cannot imagine what it is like outside for people without homes, people who are displaced, and animals. So this was a welcome box. So the first thing that's in it is just gorgeous. And because I've lost so much weight, it'll actually fit. It's like a shrug sweater thing, but it's the softest. And you can wear it as a scarf, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to wear it as a shrug. I'm actually going to take it into my office because my window behind me at work is like cold. So this is going with me tomorrow to work. I mostly work remote, or I used to, but now I'll be going into the office more often. So I actually packed a lunch in an old school lunchbox. It's a Plants vs. Zombie lunchbox because my kid had to lend me one, and I filled it with the things that I can eat because we do have a really great cafeteria. They offer really, really great food, but unfortunately for my diet, which isn't a diet, like the foods that I eat, that's the way I'm using diet. For what I can eat, I have to kind of take my own things. So it was fun to pack that. It didn't have a thermos in it though, so I'm gonna have to Scooby-Doo and find a thermos that goes with it. All right, what else is in here? So we have some teas. We have blue chai and cleansing golden latte. So I will also take these with me to work because I have a teapot there. And then we all know how much I love books and journaling. Get out of your head and into your heart. A journal for escaping the spiral of toxic thoughts and getting unstuck. Huh. Remember your strength. Each moment is a place you've never been. Live this moment. Take stock. I like that. I'm a sucker for books. It is true. And there are 2 of them in this box. And then this last thing is say one kind thing. And I will say that I have read all of the books that have come in the box, and I have enjoyed every single one of them. So this will be, I have 2 books going now, but when I'm done with those 2, then I'll start this one. But I've liked all the books that have been sent so far. Then there's always a really nice card, and this one says, I am balanced. And that is really my focus of this year, 2025, is having balance and maintaining balance and being cozy. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't note that today is a celebration of the life and work of Martin Luther King, who dreamt of peace between all nations and all people, and tremendous leader, one of my heroes in American history, who really spoke about everybody getting along, regardless of anything. We should all get along. And I'm not political, so I don't really use my channel for political thoughts, but I know that there are people who are very happy today and people who are very upset today about the inauguration of President Trump. And all I can say is this. Human history has gone on for thousands of years. And there have been all kinds of leaders all across history, all across time. And we can't, as individuals, really impact what happens at that level. But what we can impact is what we do in our lives and how we treat others. And I don't know if you're a Dave Chappelle fan. He did an opening for Saturday Night Live. I don't really watch Saturday Night Live, but I like Dave Chappelle. I think he's funny. I know that's controversial, but I think he says some things that are that are pretty funny. And he talked about Jimmy Carter. And like him, he said, like, I'm not qualified to talk about politics, as I'm not qualified to talk about politics, but you can look at the man and his actions. You know, he went into the Middle East where, you know, like, he could have been killed at any second. He had no protection. The government told him they couldn't protect him. And Jimmy Carter's like, I don't care, I'm going anyway. So that was a man who followed his beliefs and tried to, and did, in many ways, work toward peace in his lifetime. And whether you like him or not, or agree with him or not, his actions speak louder than words, right? So let that be an example for us. Let's go forth in peace, celebrating the 3 women who were released yesterday. That is part of the work that I do with the Red Cross. You know, it's a tremendous step forward toward peace. So in our daily lives, let's champion peace. Let's honor the humanity of each other, which is what Dave Chappelle said at the end of the monologue. Best last minute of a monologue I've ever heard, to be honest. Let's all do our part. Don't rely on the people who get elected. Either party, any party, don't rely on them. Rely on yourself, because you know you can rely on yourself. So let's all champion peace. Be cozy, champion peace. All the best of light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.